One of the co-founders here, and today we're going to be doing a quick tutorial on how to interact with the AI bot inside of your PR. So we have a PR here, for example. This is part of our demo, a real environment. We're going to go ahead and we're going to interact. We had guardrails run automatically, but we might want to dig in on something. Let's say try Terracotta. Because we have access to the code as well as the PR and previous threads, we can ask simple things like, can you do a quick compliance review of this diff, right? Very simple, straightforward. Do a quick compliance review. Make sure there are any security issues that we're going to deal with. Go ahead and see what it does. All right, so we have it here, quick compliance review, resource naming compliance. It doesn't start with the required. In this case, Carlos is there for fun, but if you have compliance standards that require a good prefix or a proper prefix that you need, make sure you have those security best practices. Hey, our ingress rules set up to open from any source. That's not secure. We have Terraform state management as well as resource configuration, but we can dig in on anything really specifically. So let's quote this reply and say, hey, try Terracotta. Let's dig into the EC2 naming conventions a bit. Give me a detailed analysis and remediation steps. So we're going to go ahead and let that run. Let's wait for this comment, and there it is. Okay. Certainly. Hey, let's dive a little deeper. So naming convention issue, then we're going to go to the affected resources, right? We can also have it from here, look at our other code, but at Terracotta AI, we'd like to focus on the changes that are taking place. Again, you can dig into all of your code, the diff, previous plans, and things like that, all right from your PR comments. You see the current tags that we have set up, what we need to do, the remediation steps, all runbook format for you to quickly do. Again, Try Terracotta is a Terraform native trained and cloud best practices model, very deterministic in what it does and focused on giving you the best experience possible to your developers and anybody touching Terraform code within your environments. So please head over to tryterracotta.com, check it out, and then hopefully you enjoy the app. Sign up for free, no credit card required. Thank you.